Hi guys, it's KLKS. Knowledge learned, knowledge shared. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Our KLKS topic for our tutorial, paano gamitin ang XML sa thumbnails at paano mag-convert ng Excel file at gawin itong XML file. KLKS na tayo. Nowadays, almost all of the transaction uses the XML. From the WeChat, the cell phone, the computer games, the online marketing, especially for B2B, business-to-business management. So, they are all touched by the XML. So, let's have our demonstration. Okay, for our demonstration, so basically, hindi tayo magko-concentrate sa paggawa ng thumbnails, but instead, we will going to concentrate more on the XML. For my tutorial, so we do have of course the folder for the CSS, and I do have my folder for the Oppa, wherein the folder for the Oppa is all of the images I collected for my Oppa. And I name my Oppa images with the file name image 1, image 2, so on and so forth. Hindi ko na inayos yung pag-download ko ng mga images, kaya hindi sila magkakasing laki. So, what I am after, the use of XML on our thumbnails. O, next in line, so most likely ang output nito ay, ang output ng ating HTML is the Korean Oppa, wherein I do have my thumbnails, and once we say thumbnails, it is the reduced size open images. So, naka-hover din siya. So, every time na tataputan ko ang aking thumbnail, okay, so, naka-hover ang bawat thumbnails na tinatapatan ko para sa aking iba. Okay, so, as I have said, hindi ito yung sentro ng tutorial natin. What is the center of our tutorial is that we will going to put an XML tag on our HTML para sa sample nating output. Kung mapapansin nyo, so meron siyang images pero walang stated information at sa ating images. Okay, so yun yung i-demo natin para sa tutorial natin. Okay, so let's start. Okay, for our demonstration, we will be using an existing Excel file. So, my file name is all about the studrec. So, let's open the studrec file. Okay, next in line. So, we will be needing the developer. In the event your Microsoft Excel is unable to identify, is deactivated with the developer, all you have to do is to go on the file, then option, then see to it na nakacheck ka sa developer mo. In line. So, let us try to convert our Excel file into XML. So, go to the developer, then source, then XM option, XML map. So, add tayo. So, pag in-add natin yung ating XML file na nasa desktop natin, basically, mag-error pa siya. So, all natin, all files. Okay, pag in-add natin to, okay, so naka-error pa siya. So, what we needed is the schema source. So, X natin siya. So, what is the schema source? to. So, after dealing with this one, actually, we call it our XML file na we needed to include on our XML. Then after that, parang siya matawag na mapping. Actually, the other term for mapping, we call it pattern. So, let us try to copy the rect. Save natin. So, save. Mag-map na siya. So, using our source again. So, source tayo. Source. Then, XML map. Add natin yung mapping natin. So, we call it our mapping. Okay. So, the specified XML source does not refer to scheme. Excel will create a scheme based on the XML source file. So, click tayo ng OK. Then, afterwards, okay din natin. Okay, so let us try to identify. So, meron na tayong mapping. So, anong gagawin natin sa mapping? So, all we have to do is to drag every field name o every record header on our Excel file. So, click lang natin to. So, click natin para dito. Drag din natin para sa stud name o surname. Then, stud name. Then, followed by stud address. Okay, so once done, so punta naman tayo sa ating source. So developer ulit tayo. This time we will going to export. Export. So ano yung i-export natin? So let us try to name it as studrect1.xml. Okay, so export natin. So, let us try to identify kung nakapag-convert na ba tayo ng automatic. Ito na yung ating converted XML file. So, ang question, since we do have now our XML file and basically converted na siya sa ating XML schema, so we can now identify the functionality of our XML using our HTML tag. So this time, our HTML together with XML.